Hey guys, I made this dress from this. You want to see how I made it? Let me show you. So first of all, I had to remove the sleeves, put them aside, and then mark out my measurements. And then because of the style, one side is longer than the other, so I had to open up the center back. Then decide which side is longer and cut the other side. I feel like I'm saying side a lot, but what I mean is I have to determine which side I'm cutting short and which one I'm leaving to be long. So I decided to cut the right side. When you turn it right out, when you turn it to the right side, when I wear it, the right side is shorter. Then I proceed to cut the flare. I'm cutting a 270 flare because I don't have enough fabric for 360. Then I attach the flare to the waistline, and when I get to the part that is longer, I will show you how I finish it up later, but I just put it inside so it's not showing outside at the longer part. So basically I attach the flare on the waist up until it gets to that center back where I stopped the short length, and then I just put it inside until the other side of the jacket in front. I have this leftover piece from a cotton upcycle I did a while back, so I will be using it to line the lower part. And after sewing and serging, here is what it looks like. I think I have to emphasize that I sewed up to the center back, so I was only able to sew the parts that are short. For the part of the jacket that are still long, I'm going to have to hand stitch inside the jacket, but I was only able to sew with the sewing machine the short part of the jacket. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I'm almost done. Now I have to replace the buttons with something that will close up until the end of the jacket. Okay, let me explain real quick what I just did here. I removed the buttons, I put press buttons instead, and then for here, because this jacket is going to cover up to this place, I did not bother to close this like this because I measured my waist. The circumference of this place is my waist circumference. I did not account for the overlap because I knew that I did not need it because this was going to do the job. So I just basically closed the front up to the part that this will start to close, and then I just put the buttons here and I can snap and snap. So even if it opens to the part that is already closed, right? So that's what I have here. Let me open so I can show you. So basically sewed this all the way, hand tacked this so that it doesn't show at the other side of the jacket. I untacked this side, and then yeah, that's what we have. For sleeves, I'm thinking open sleeves. What that means is I'll just loosen this part, the part where the sleeve is closed, cut a little bit, and then attach it back so it opens under here. You will see when that's what we're about to do. So stick around and see how it turns out. And that's it, guys. What do you think? Thanks for watching.